How to create AI image on Android free AI art tools. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can use free AI tool on Android to generate images. So for that first step will be you guys will open Play Store. Now search for Gemini. So I'll simply search for Gemini. Once you search for Gemini, download Google Gemini app. Once you install it, you guys simply go to Gemini app. So I'll simply click on Gemini app. Here you guys will need to sign in user Google using your Google account. Once you sign in, you guys will see that type of interface. So for creating image, here you guys will see on downside plus icon and two icons of that line. Simply click on that. Now you guys will see create image canvas deep research guided learning. So simply click on create image. Once you click on create image, now you will describe your image idea. For example, I want to say monkey dancing on the moon. Now I will simply click on that arrow. Once we click on that arrow, we will simply wait for some second to generate our image. So wait for some seconds. It take 10 to 15 seconds normally. So we will wait for that. Here we go. Our pic was ready. You guys can see our monkey was doing dance on moon. So for downloading that app pic, you guys simply click on top right on download option, and once we click on that, that's it. Our pic will be downloaded in HD. So that's how you guys can generate images using Android free tools. Thanks for watching.